In this video, I'm going to show you how to access TradingView drawing tools on TradeLocker. Now, the first thing you want to do, of course, once you open up TradeLocker, you want to go to the very left of your chart over here. And as you can see, this is powered by TradingView. It says Chart by TradingView. And here on the left are all the drawing tools you can basically use on the TradeLocker chart. So here you can go ahead and select your crosshair, basically. You can go ahead and draw different lines on here like that. There we go. You can go ahead and set different parameters over here. You can go ahead and draw over it. You can set the positions like short and long, stuff like that. You can type on the graph. So there's a bunch of different things you can do, and these are basically all the drawing tools you can use from TradingView on TradeLocker. So if you'd like to remove any of this, right click it, remove, and then you can basically one by one just remove pretty much everything over here that you've put onto your chart. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.